Good morning everyone! Happy Tuesday! Tingnan ninyo yung snow. Nakakatuwa siya. Ang ganda niya tingnan pero for sure magiging malamig na naman yan sa labas. Nagulat nga si Mr. bakit biglang nag-snow. Parang wala naman forecast. Pero nung chinek namin sa phone, meron ng forecast ng snow. So hello guys! So ito na yung aming bagong minivan na nabili. Well, hindi siya talaga bago because this is a used car. And alam ko yung iba sa inyo nagko-comment na mas maganda bumili ng brand new, which is totoo naman talaga. Kaya lang syempre hindi siya pasok sa aming budget. Kasi nga as much as possible, ang gusto talaga ni Mr. is wag mag-loan or wag mag-take out. Mag-take out ng loans or wag i-finance, i-cash na lang para at least may peace of mind na wala kaming puhulugan kada buwan para sa sasakyan. Syempre, ibang usapan pagka sa bahay kasi diba, sino ba parang kakaunti lang naman dito sa US ang may kakayahan ng bumili ng bahay in cash. Pero ito, since ito yung pasok sa aming budget, kaya ito yung pinuha namin, used car. And okay siya. Sobrang okay siya. Malinis, maganda. And ayun. Kaya binili na namin ni Mr. Baby, do you like your new minivan? And minivan nga yung pinili namin kasi kailangan namin ng space dahil nga magiging dalawa na yung aming baby soon. And we are still hoping na ma-approve yung visa ng nanay ko para magkasya kami dito. So yun talaga. Yung una nga is, kung napanood nyo yung aming mga video before, SUV talaga yung planong bilhin. Kaso, naisip ni Mr. mas magiging useful para sa amin ang minivan and mas mura siya kesa sa SUV. So, yan siya. So ito yung first na malaking purchase namin for this year. Para sa amin malaki, hindi namin alam para sa iba sa inyo dahil iba-iba naman yung ating living situation. And you know, happy lang kami na nabili na namin ito. At least wala na kaming isipin. So ayan si Zara, oh. Meron siyang sarili niyang space sa likod. So yung upuan dito sa likod na titiklop siya. How many seaters that? 3? 3, love? At the back?
Yes.
So 3-seater yan. Kaso titiklop ni Mr. para nga mas may space para kay Zara. Tapos ito, ano ko kayo? Car tour. So ito yung ating likod. Ayan nga yung nakatiklop na yan. Yun yung upuan. For 3 yan. Ganyan siya kalaki. Kaya talagang gusto namin itong minivan kasi nga yung space. Yun talaga yung goal namin kung bakit kami bumili nito. And then ito naman yung second row. 2-seater siya. Ayan, di ba? Maayos pa, malinis. Tapos ayan ang door. So ganyan siya. Very convenient. And maganda rin yung upuan niya. Di siya madumi. Hi baby! You like your new minivan? And then dito naman tayo sa unahan. So ito yung sa front. Ito yung sa passenger seat. Ito yung sa driver seat. Pero wala siyang camera, no? Ayan. Yan yung nasa harapan. Then, yan. So, yung brand nito is Toyota Sienna. Tapos, meron siyang sunroof. Is it called sunroof, love? This one.
You could call it a moonroof if you want.
Moonroof. Whatever. Buisit talaga to.
Some people call it sunroof, some people call it a moonroof. I don't know why.
Ayan. Kaya lang, syempre, hindi namin ito i-open dahil malamig. Pero ano yan, may salamin naman siya. Kaya lang syempre, pagka hindi naka-close, yung lamig niya tumatagos. Yan. Tapos merong parang salamin dyan para pwede mong i-watch yung mga bata dito sa likod. So, ipakita ko sa inyo sa labas yung itsura niya. So, ito siya guys, yung itsura niya sa labas. Yung color niya, gustong-gusto rin namin ni Mr. Pareho namin nagustuhan yung kulay niya kasi ano siya, yung hindi ganun ka-common na. Kaya sobrang proud na proud ako dito sa asawa ko. Kasi ano yon, yung talagang magaling siya maghawak ng pera, and ayaw niya talaga as much as possible magkaroon ng additional na utang bukod ka dun sa bahay. Siyempre yung bahay is mahal naman talaga, pero itong sasakyan talagang sumusunod lang kami sa aming budget. Papasok na ako dito sa loob kasi sobrang lamig. So, what can you say about our new biggest purchase for the year 2025?
Well, I'm worried about the heating and cooling system because these things have very complicated heating and cooling system because they have a separate system for heating and cooling the back. And in the front, they have a left and a right system. So it's very irritating. Instead of one system, it's basically three systems, and it's behaving strangely. I can figure out just from research in my brains that there is air in the cooling system, which is very difficult to get out. Well, it's not that difficult, but it's not easy either. I don't know how to. I mean, I watched how to do it, but I need a little hose to put on a bleeder, and I don't have this hose, and you need a special funnel to put on the radiator, because you can't just pour the stuff into the radiator because it just goes in and immediately to the side, and so you need a special thing to put on it because it won't go down, it'll just spill out instead of going over. And then there's the overflow tank, which I filled that up, so hopefully that'll suck it in there. But the thing that we're trying to do today is to get heat to come out of the rear heating system, which so far it's blowing cold out of the rear heating system, which is not good. But we're gonna go for a drive. It's on high, so it should be blowing warm. Up here in the front, it started blowing warm almost immediately, which I thought was, that's good. But I was like, oh, this is no problem. But now it's blowing cold on the back. I wonder if I turned off the front, if I could get it to blow hot out the back. That's what I'm gonna do. But
so, ayun yung isang negative side nitong minivan. But overall, how do you feel about the purchase?
I'm fairly confident. I haven't found anything that's scaring me yet. The whole thing is scary because making a big purchase is scary. But
overall, it's good, right?
Overall, Toyota is supposed to be the best, and but from reading about it, I've been reading everybody's problems that they've been having. So I don't know what to believe that it's the best, or to believe that all these people have problems. It's just both. Everything has problems is the truth of the matter. But you're kind of gambling. You're trying to make a bet for what's your best bet. And I think for the amount of money that we had in our situation, instead of going into debt, because we would have had to pay twice as much for basically the same thing at a dealership. It doesn't make any sense. Just to have a little bit more security, but even the dealer doesn't know, really. They're just saying, well...
But they have warranty, so...
Yeah, the place we were going to go to had a good warranty, and it was my father's friend. Everywhere has a warranty. It's easy to get a warranty, but it's hard to get a good warranty. But my father's friend's place does happen to have a good warranty, and they would have taken care of anything. But, once again, twice as much money, and we don't have twice as much money. It was like, I can feel a little bit of warm coming out of here, almost. We're going to go for a drive and try and make this thing make warm air. I'm going to go shut the front. You gotta grab Zeta.
Okay, so magda-drive around kami para ma-check din lahat-lahat. Pero na-drive na namin to kasi nga binili to sa Massachusetts. So, from Massachusetts to here, okay naman lahat. Except nga itong sa cooling, whatever na sinasabi ni Mr. Pero okay na siya, nagwa-warm na. Siguro kailangan lang talaga ng fine. Pero dito kasi sa harapan, mabilis siya. So, ayun. Mag-drive around muna tayo and i-check natin kung makakakita tayo ng iba pang mga problema, but hopefully, wala na. So, we are driving around now and we are happy to tell you na wala siyang problema. Okay naman, nag-blow siya ng hot air. Medyo... It's hot, Lovey. Ito si Mr. ang daming problem. Well, it's warm, yeah. Okay naman. So, ayan, warm siya. ako dito kay Mr. Gusto niya hot, yung parang masusunog yata kami dito sa loob. Pero para sa akin, okay siya. Ayan, oh. Decent naman. Hindi naman kami giniginaw dito sa loob. Mainit nga eh. And to be honest, ewan ko kay Mr. Gusto niya ata perfect na perfect. Love, this is a used car. This is a used car, so you shouldn't be expecting too much like what you are expecting from a brand new car.
It just needs to be functional.
It is indeed functional. Yeah, try to sit here. You would feel that it's warm enough.
Yeah, but it means that it could go bad. It's already going bad.
Ewan ko sa'yo, palakad siya.
It's got an auto.
Ha?
It's got an auto. Push auto on that.
Andun si Mr. sa labas, hindi siya talaga mapakali. Pero okay naman talaga siya. For me ha, okay naman talaga siya. Although, hindi naman talaga ako maalam sa sasakyan. Si Mr. kasi gusto nito yung perfect, eh, used car nga, diba? So anyway, okay siya. Ayan, nagbo-blow naman siya ng warm air. And it's decent enough para hindi ka ginawin dito sa loob ng sasakyan pagka winter season. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura ng air conditioner and pagka sa heater. Hey baby, what you doing? What you doing? Dinala mo na naman pala yung binky mo. Ay nako, sinasanay na kitang walang binky eh. Halika dito. Yan na yung dada mo. Gusto ni Zita dito sa loob kasi nga spacious. Hindi katulad dun sa truck namin at saka dito sa GTO ni Mr. D. Talaga siya makakilos. Doon lang siya sa upuan. Unlike dito, di ba? Talagang nakakapag-roam around siya. Pero hindi pa namin dito nalipat yung car seat ni Zita. Kasi hindi pa siya na-register. Hindi, wala pang insurance. So, hindi pa namin ito talaga magagamit unless ma-register na and magkaroon ng insurance. Si Mr. hindi talaga siya mapakali dito sa sa heater.
You show them the mirror.
Yeah, I showed it to them that you could watch the kids behind if you're driving.
Well, I mean,
What can you say? I think it's good. It's decent enough.
did you touch the ones in the back?
Not yet. I'm gonna try. You hold the camera. And it's good. It's fine.
It's not really hot. It's just warm.
Yeah, I told them that it's decent enough not to make you freeze during the winter season.
Well, we could heat the whole thing with the front heaters anyways if we had to.
Yeah, but it will be too hot. I think this one is good.
Whatever.
So si Mr. gusto niyang pangalanan ito. Love. What's the name of this minivan? The other truck or the truck that we bought last year, he named it what?
It's Mumu because it's white, like a Mumu.
Like a bumula yung bulto.
We don't have a name for this one yet. So.
Now you
That's not the name because you have to say the. I was gonna name it Chanak, but you have to say the Chanak.
Why do you want to name it China? Because it is
It's not gonna, because it's, I don't know, because I'm gonna have a little baby in it. So.
What? That's not a good name.
Well, anyway. We need to think of a nice, happy name.
I told them it should be Sienna because it's Toyota Sienna.
Why would it's ridiculous?
Ayaw niya nung Sienna. Bakit kaya nung name?
We'll think of a name. I'm not gonna think of one right now. It should be something like watery. What's the Tagalog word for turtle? Because it looks like
Pagong.
pagong. I don't know how to say it.
Pagong.
Pagong.
Love. What kind of
It's a
name is
nice
that?
name. It looks like a turtle. It's the color of water. It should be pagong.
Comment down below. Payag ba kayo sa pangalan na yan ng aming minivan? Pagong.
I like pagong. I'll figure out.
Pagong. Love, that means it's slow. Is it slow?
It's not fast. It's a minivan.
Yeah, but it's not slow.
It's not supposed to be fast. It's supposed to be slow, like a turtle. Pagong.
Baby, would you agree with the name Pagong? Huh?
Or whale. What's the word for whale?
Whale?
Yeah.
Is it baliena? Baliena ba yun?
It looks like a whale too.
I think it's baliena. Say it.
Baliena. I like
Hindi tama no,
pagong.
baliena ang whale.
Pagong is more fun.
Pagong. Yeah, because it's easier. It's
Baliena.
easier to pronounce.
Well,
for you.
baliena sounds nicer, and it is more like a whale than a turtle because there's no turtle this big, but there are whales this big. So, what is baliena?
Baliena.
Baliena. I'll figure it out later. That's a good name.
Tapos pinag-aawayan pa namin yung pangalan ng ano namin. If ever we're gonna have a baby boy, we're still arguing about the name. Because he wants the name to be Raul. Raul. I said, I don't want that, Raul.
It's the exact perfect name for a half-white, half-Filipino who's going to be living in the United States as an adult male with he's going to have a darker complexion and Asiatic features in the United States. And Raul is a perfect name for that kind of person. And also, it's a beautiful name. It's an old name. It's an underappreciated name. And it's just perfect. There's no better name than Raul. We've gone over every R name we can imagine. I think she pooped.
She's not gonna poop.
We've gone over every R name we can imagine. I'm gonna put her in the back. You wanna go in the back?
Mas gusto kasi ni Zeta doon. Ayoko talaga nung Raul. Dahil ako talaga. Sabi ko, hindi ko pipirmahin yung birth certificate na pagkain ang pinangalan mo. Pinipilit niya talaga. Sabi ko, ang dami-daming letter. Gusto niya kasi mag-start sa letter R since yung name niya is letter R. Pero kung girl, gusto niya letter Z din, which is agree naman ako. Pagka name talaga ng babae, mas madali. Nahirapan kami sa name ng baby boy. So, talagang pinagtatalunan pa namin kung ano ba yung magiging name. Pero kung girl, meron na kaming name agad. Mas madali talaga, pagka baby girl. Sa lahat, maski pagpili ng mga damit at kung ano-ano pa. Pero, yun talaga, we are still hoping na talagang healthy baby boy. Pero sabi nila, pagka baby boy, diba, mas kamukha ng nanay. Ay, why are you crying, baby? Parang gusto ko, syempre, mas gusto ko kamukha ni Mister. Katulad ni Zira, kamukha ng kanyang grandma Mimi. I was telling them that if it's a baby boy, he would get his features from me, and I don't like it. I want him to get his features from you.
I want to get his name from me, and it should be Raul.
Whatever. No.
I'll tell you all the names she said no to. She said no to Romeo, which is a very nice name. She said no to Reaper, which is a nice name.
Reaper, parang yung
She
Grim
said
Reaper.
no to Renegade, which is a nice name.
Why are you crying?
Just give us some snacks or something.
I don't have some snacks. I'm gonna go back. Wow. We need to take a picture outside so we have thumbnail.
I need a bottle of water that I can pour on.
Here, don't you have...
Coolant that I spilled. There's some water in the back.
Say hi everyone. I'm a fussy baby. I'm a fussy Zeta. Say hello everyone. Wow. Count nga tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, What's next? 9, 10. Good job. Clap hands. Clap hands. What happened to your mouth? Come here. Baby, come here. Zeta, shake, shake, shake. Zeta. Shake, shake, shake. Baby, shake, shake, shake. That's it, dali. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. So, ayun lang guys for today's video na i-share lang namin sa inyo na nakabili na kami nung pinaplano naming bilhin na minivan and we are so very happy. Syempre gusto namin i-share sa inyo dahil part kayo ng aming journey. So, maraming salamat po ulit sa patuloy nagpagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel and sa aming family. We thank you so much. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Ito talaga si isang masusuntok talaga. Okay. I'm gonna show them
You're
Zeta
missing.
because I keep showing them.
It's gonna be over. She's gonna be grumpy.
Oh, baby.
See, now she's not doing anything. She's back here.
I already.
She was being cute before you.
Pwede talaga to.
I was right.
Ay, nako. I'm telling you, you're buisit. You know what buisit is, right? You know what buisit is? It's you're annoying. You're such a pain in a bee. So again, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ninyo sa aming YouTube channel and sana po ipatuloy lang ang inyong pagsuporta sa aming family at sa panonood ng aming mga videos. Maraming salamat po ulit sa mga nagko-comment and sa mga laging nanonood. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing, and if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Malaking tulong po yun para mas ma-push pa yung aming mga videos sa ibang mga viewers. So again, thank you so much and see you again on our next vlog. Bye! Bye! Bye everyone! I love that Vicky! Bye everyone! Blow kisses to everyone! Aww.